Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to the channel at Ginger Can. My name is Brian and today I've got a mess to clean up. I had one of these plastic shelves standing here. It collapsed 4 times. It buckles, it twisted and it collapsed. I had glass on there, I have glass jars, and I'm done with these shelves. So what I'm going to end up doing today, hopefully, is clearing all this out and putting in wooden shelves that are attached to the wall. They're going to be simple wooden shelves, nothing fancy. First task though is emptying this out. And ready? And go! And we're done. Alright, so yeah, the garage doors are open now. I did have some help. My helpers came out and moved the vast majority of the stuff to that side of the garage. I moved the shelves over there. My game plan is to build some really simple shelves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some 2x4s up on the wall, and then I have legs here. That's it. It's going to be fully attached to the wall. I never plan on moving it. It's staying here. I may paint it white like the rest of the garage. I don't know. I got real fortunate that wood prices came down, so I picked up a bunch of 2x4s and some 1/4 inch sheet plywood. So let me go get the wood, bring it around, and I'll start measuring things out and cutting things to length, and we'll go from there. You're probably thinking to yourself, Brian, those are perfectly good shelves. Yeah, they work okay, I guess. But this is a crap product. You can't put anything that small on these. It either falls through the holes, it gets stuck in one of these little cubbies, and then it's got so many pockets for spiders and bugs. I'm done with this garbage. It's about 10 feet. I'm going to mount them to the wall. I'm going to find the worst twisted offenders and get them secured to the wall because they're going to twist anyway. And if I get them secured to the wall, then they don't twist as much. I'm going to mark the stud locations and then start measuring. I'm going to measure for height and go from there. Okay, a couple of things I'm using real fast. Obviously I'm using a tape measure. I've got my stud finder and a level. I want these shelves to be level. That's important to me. So I have my level. I've got my router. I've got my circular saw. I need to cut down the plywood into 2-foot strips. I've already started marking the wall. I want the bottom shelf to be about 20 inches up off the ground. I want the bottom of the 2x4 so I can slide things under it. That's going to be the bottom, 20 inches. The old shelves were 19. I have a couple of totes that are about 20 inches or a little shorter than 20 inches. So that's my basis for measurement. Now I need to find the wood that goes up against the wall and get it attached. Alright, I got the first one in with some help. It is level. I've got 1 screw in every stud. It is pretty flippin' solid. So I need 3 more against the wall. And then I'll start building the legs and the cross beams from the extra wood that I have, and then I'll cut the plywood and set it on top. I was originally going to get fancy and route a channel, but that defeats the purpose of simple shelves. Why make it complicated when I don't have to? So let's get to it. Okay, you can see one of them's kind of warped. I'm gonna have to live with that. It is what it is. And I messed up. I was gonna make this 20-inch increments, but then I had already cut all the wood to 6 feet or 10 feet because they were 16-foot 2x4s. So I cut them down to 10 feet because that's about the length. What's left me was 6 feet, and that's going to be the height. I was originally going to go higher. It's not possible because my legs won't reach. That's all I can do today. I'm going to have to take a break. Boys need dinner. So we'll wrap this up tomorrow.